tell me about your, you come every year you come to Bombay. How important is Bombay as a territory for Kannada films?
For me, I did my film called AK-47, 50th film of mine. I shot here for nearly about 2 months, 2.5 months I was here. And I shot many films, almost 3-4 films I have done shooting here. And I came, my first remember was my father's film shooting went out here, Ravi Chandra film was there. We were here for 10 days actually. So that was my first entry to Bombay actually. Otherwise, we keep coming often to Bombay.
How important is Mumbai as a territory for a film like this?
I think because it gives a bigger vision also. Where many people are there who can see and because nowadays after KGF and Kantara and Civil Sarvachari, everybody is looking towards South. That after even Rajmouli has Bahubali and Triple because a lot of people are towards South films. So I feel this film will be because it's a universal thought. I think it will be better if people watches this film and there are some good points and emotions so that people can carry out that emotion and the message in their life.
And you mentioned that you want to do a lot of Hindi films. Anything specific you want to talk about working in Hindi cinema?
Not exactly, because I should get an offer because if I want to do a Hindi film, it should be not usually a commercial film where I can come and show dance or fight. Many heroes are there who is doing already. I want to show something else. They should feel tomorrow, they should watch, but this is Shivraj Kumar cinema. They should feel like that.
What kind of cinema do you want to be part of?
It should be very different, where I can enter into the heart of the people. They should think this is a character. Because today, many people recognize me as Om Satya. Om is a film where, that was the Indian's first film where lot of re-release was there. Nearly about 500 to 600 times it was re-released. And we gave the satellites just about 7-8 years back. That film is already 30 years old. Even now people watches that. It should be a character like that where I can enter into them. Even now today Karnataka, if I go anywhere in Karnataka, they say Satya. That Satya means truth. My name also is Satya. So like that, a character should be that they should recognize me like that.
One last question.
Culturally, culturally they should see me. For Indian culture, they should see me. They should recognize me as the Indian culture actually.
Rishabh and Yash have taken Kannada films to a next level. The world has opened to Kannada films after that. What is your take on it and on these two boys, Rishabh and Yash?
I think they are very proud actually, very happy. If they would have not tried, KGF would have not come here, or Kantara would have not come here. They took up this one stand. That's what is guts. So even we have come with the same guts. Let's see what's going to happen. That's all. I'm really proud of it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Sir, my question to director. Sir, first of all, tell us about your experience and your challenges you faced during this film.
Hi, Happy New Year to you. And this is a very different experience because I as a music director worked there for 20 years and did more than 150 films here in Kannada. So this is my debut as a director and it is a great experience to work with legends like Shivanna, Uppi sir and Rajbir Shetty. And this is not a regular film, so I'm excited to present it to Mumbai and just need your blessings.
फोन किसका चोरी किया था?
हेलो निकिता, दिस इज विनय। आपने शुरुआत की थी एज एन एक्टर, 2 साल हो गए आपको पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन किए, तो ये जो आपने स्विच किया, अब नाउ यू आर द पॉलिटिशियन निकिता घाक, सो ये एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा और एज अ लोगों की सेवा करते करते अपने प्रोफेशन को साथ में रखने का ये कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहता है और आपको कौन सी डिफिकल्टीज फेस करनी होती है?
पॉलिटिक्स तो मुझे पहले से ज्वाइन करना था। एक्टिंग में कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स अच्छे खासे चल जाने के बाद मैंने सोचा, जब मैं काम कर रही थी तब मैंने देखा कि क्रू मेंबर्स को, डायरेक्टर्स को, एक्टर्स को कितनी तकलीफ़ें झेलनी पड़ती है, डिले ऑफ पेमेंट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स। मतलब मैं अभी नहीं बता सकती, बहुत तकलीफ़ें होती है। तो मैंने सोचा कि वाई शुड नॉट, मतलब मैं क्यों ना फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से ही स्टार्ट करूं। इसीलिए मैंने बीजेपी में एंटर किया, जस्ट बिकॉज आई नो व्हाट एक्टर्स एंड क्रू मेंबर्स आर गोइंग थ्रू। तो उनको इंसाफ दिलाने के लिए, उनकी सारी दिक्कतें दूर करने के लिए मैंने पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करने का निर्णय लिया। बट शिव जी की कृपा से, भगवान की कृपा से अब सिर्फ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ही नहीं तो एयरपोर्ट्स, होटल इंडस्ट्री एंड महाराष्ट्र की सारी कंपनीज, फैक्ट्रीज की भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मुझे मिली है और ये सब के अंडर में काम कर रही हूँ। तो मैं खुश हूँ जो स्विच मैंने किया। काफ़ी तकलीफ़ें हुई, काफ़ी ट्रोल हुई, बट यस आई एम हैप्पी नाउ।
बीजेपी ज्वाइन करने से पहले जैसे एज एन एक्टर आपने बीजेपी के सारे पॉलिटिशियन को देखा होगा, उनसे मिली होगी, तो आप किसको फॉलो करती थी? आपका फ्लो क्या था बीजेपी ज्वाइन करने से पहले? आपका कोई आइडिया था उसमें?
हमारे सीएम देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी, वो पहले से ही मेरे आइडल रहे हैं और भगवान की कृपा से अब उनका हाथ सर पर है तो सब कुछ मुमकिन है।
Shivan, this is Surya here from Bollywood Crazies. I'm here sitting, sir. Of course, we have seen a lot of films of yours in the past. It's great that Kannada cinema brings something new, refreshing every new year, every year. And this is the debut film of Arjun Janya, sir. Tell us about Shivan, sir. Your process of selecting a role and then getting into the character of any particular role. As you earlier said that you take time to choose some different script. There is something to the fans in Mumbai that what is the process of yours selecting a film, because as we've seen few of the glimpses, the movie is also doing good. Tell us about the process. I think
Actually, this film, no, that is the way I am. Actually, the way I behave in this film, no, that's the way I am in my life also. I might dress up well and I might wear costly jeans, but still I'm very simple in heart, always. Because I like dressing, I'm wearing jeans and expensive jeans. But apart from that, there's one thing called humanity. I'm always very pure in my heart, I'm very frank. I talk with everybody, there's no partiality, I should talk with them or them. The same characters, this was what I played. Shivappa, I play Shiva. So this character is almost me, I can say. I can relate to myself from my younger age, how I was. The same thing, the character I played here. And usually I'll be always jovial in my life. Here also the way I behave with Rajbir Shetty or Upendra, sometimes roughness also, there's a love in that. Whatever he speaks, there's a love in this film. That's the way I am, that's my character, I can say. And whichever character I just prefer to do, if it goes to my heart, I'll really do. Otherwise, sometimes sometimes characters get a good script. Sometimes while making it goes ulta palata, I can't help it what to do. I have to finish it because of my producer. So I should see there also like that. So it happens.
Shivan, sir, you have I think n number of films in your career. Tell us about the upcoming projects if you want to speak something to the media of Mumbai.
Now I'm one film called Dad. Dad is I'm doing one film called Dad because I love my dad. This is the caption. I love my dad. I'm glad I'm dad. That's all. And one more film is in Telugu with Ram Charan. I'm doing Pedi. I'm doing a special role in that film, and it's a very beautiful role. And one more film in Telugu I'm doing as a main lead called Gummadi Narsaya. It's based on a biopic. It's based on a real person's life. And there's a lovely script. Why I loved doing this script is because I always, whenever I see Gummadi Narsaya, I see my father in him because my father used to live for others. The same character he has got. So I was very touched by this role. I'm very happy that I'm doing that. First time as a lead in Telugu I'm doing. And Jailer 2 is almost done. Almost 3-4 days are there. And one more project I'm starting, my home production, Geetha Pictures. A for Anand. It's called as A for Anand. And one film called Bail. B-E-I-L.
Janya sir, this is the debut film, as you also said, as I also know. आपने इतनी सारी फिल्मों में म्यूजिक दिया है. What?
शाहरुख खान को एंटी नेशनल बोल रहे हैं. अगर कुछ मतभेद हो सकते हैं, आप उन्हें लेटर लिख सकते थे, लेकिन एंटी नेशनल बोलना क्या ये सही है? व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट?
शाहरुख जी बहुत ही बड़े लेजेंडरी एक्टर है एंड जो भी वाद विवाद चल रहे हैं, अब फिलहाल इलेक्शन चल रहे हैं तो हम इस बारे में ना ही बात करें तो बेहतर होगा.
सब हैप्पी न्यू ईयर सर एंड कंग्रेचुलेसन, इतनी अच्छी मूवी लेके आया. मैम मुझे आपसे एक सवाल है. मैम आपसे एक सवाल है मुझे कि बीजेपी के हो या कांग्रेस के हो, बहुत सारे एक्टर जो है बॉलीवुड में भी काम कर रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल साथ साथ, आपको अगर मौका मिला तो शिव जी के साथ काम करोगे या किस तरह का आप स्टोरी देख रहे हो आप खुद को दोबारा लॉन्च करने के लिए, थोड़ा बताएंगे आप?
ज़रूर।
यस।
मैं पहले एक एक्टर थी और अंदर का एक्टर कभी नहीं मर सकता। नेता और अभिनेता ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है। तो यस, आई एम हिज बिग फैन। अगर चांस मिला तो ज़रूर करूँगी। वापस पर्दे पर आना चाहूँगी कभी ना कभी।
शिव सर, आपको कंग्रेचुलेसन, बहुत अच्छी मूवी है, ट्रेलर देखा हमने, मजा आ गया। पर हम जानना चाहते हैं कि पिक्चर रिलीज हो चुका है, हम इतने देर क्यों लिए बम्बई में आने में? क्योंकि आपका फैंस बॉलीवुड में काफ़ी सारे बॉलीवुड में है, आपका फैंस है, हम खुद आपका फैंस है, आपके पिक्चर हम देखा करते हैं। आज आए हैं, हम भी देखने बड़ा एक्साइटमेंट थी, पर लेट आए पर स्वस्थ आए, अच्छे आए। तो नेक्स्ट अगर बॉलीवुड करना चाहते हैं तो बॉलीवुड में किसके साथ काम करना चाहते हैं, आप करना चाहते हैं?
Actually, I don't know. I don't want to select anybody. If anybody comes good on my way, he might be a newcomer or I think a recognized director, anybody. But I don't mind doing with a newcomer also. If the project is good or if it touches my heart, ज़रूर काम करता हूँ.
Shivraj sir, you have been in the industry for so many years now. To your little video, you have been in the industry for a long time now. आप क्या changes देखते हैं Indian cinema में? You know how it is evolving day by day, and in Hindi circuit also we can see that South cinema, be it Hindi, I mean Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, whatever, they are taking over a little bit on the Hindi cinema as compared to the content that South industry is providing. क्या आप इत्तेफाक रखते हैं इस बात से?
I think technically they have become brilliant, but because most of the South film, not only from now, from the previous days also, when Shivaji Ganeshan sir, MGR sir, Rajkumar sir, then Chiranjeevi sir, from those period itself, that subjects were very good actually. Subjects were very good, and that very emotional scripts, and it was very natural. So even now anybody can, because a lot of films are there where they have remade it in Hindi. So I think basically this has gone one step ahead because of the technical technical facilities. Because time now that facilities was not there. But this now the facility is there. What cinema they made that time, no, they took about 50 or 60 days. Now the same that cinema nowadays they take about 200 days, 300 days. Sometimes even now, this film, 80 days. We took 100 days actually. I know one film I'm doing now. What is it? Dad, one film. I think it'll come in all languages, but we took only 35 days. That's all. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes the script is so good, so pakka that it depends. Because South Indian people are like that they work on the script more.
We want to see more of South cinema into Hindi film industry, you know. But do you feel that the language sometimes becomes a barrier? क्या हिंदी सीखना, या even for Tamil or Telugu, whatever language it is, do you think?
Not at all, nothing else. Because nowadays they say they do it in Kannada and then they dub. Nowadays, you know, at least 3 languages we have to do: Tamil, Kannada and Hindi we have to do, because closest no, easily we can make it out. Whatever AI is there, easily they'll make it out. That lip sync will be out. But now for us, now we take it that we have done all the languages now.
So one last question from my end. You know, we have seen this is a multi-star film. You know, there are many actors in the film. Being an actor yourself and being so veteran actor, do you feel that the stars become a little bit, you know, cautious when it comes to multi-star cast? We have seen Dhurandhar in Hindi cinema. I don't know if you have seen the film.
Yeah, I've seen.
So how was the film? Please tell us first of all.
Fantastic, very nice. The emotions was very good. The making was very good, and performances especially was very good.
Any specific performance that you enjoyed the more? Because
I
we have seen Akshay Khanna performing so well. I mean, more than
Akshay Khanna I liked, but Ranveer Singh I liked. I think he was amazing. So beautifully he has performed.
Okay.
The subtlety was very good because his role demands that subtlety. No, at least Akshay Khanna's role is there where he can do whatever he wants. That liberty was there, but Ranveer Singh's role is not very easy to do that. It's very beautiful. Subtly he had done it very brilliantly well.
So what are your thoughts on the multi-star cast? You know, when come to in a single movie.
No, it's good actually. No, actually we should bother about our roles, and we should not just ask why that one, why this one. We should just go on believing the director. I believe my director. I trust him. I trust myself first. No, I don't know botheration. Because the multi-star cinema is necessary now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
रमेश सर, आपसे एक सवाल पूछना
याद नहीं है सर.
स्टोरी है सनातन सिद्धि के ऊपर है 45 की पूरा हम सिद्ध को
समझ में आया। समझ में नहीं आया।
हिंदी में माफ करना भाई 45 डेज को गरुड़ पुराण में एक आत्मा मेरा आत्मा को क्या क्या करना यहाँ पूजा करना क्या करना को ये 45 डेज को ये सब्जेक्ट भाई थैंक यू
शिवा सर एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन सर आपसे है आफ्टर दैट वील रैप दिस अप बच्चन साहब के साथ आई जस्ट कम टू नो दैट यू हैड अ वेरी लॉन्ग फ्रेंडशिप विद सर एंड you always wanted to be a part of cinema with him or he want to work with you anything that way you want to be around.
Actually, we have been together in Kalyan Jewellers, so we have a lot of shoots we have done together now. Still now we have not thought of any this one because I don't want to take unnecessary advantage of just because I know him very well. We have been very close with my family, so any good project comes, really I would love to work with him or we would love to call him to Kannada also.
Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.